having a get-together and want to serve a healthy snack, we have a recipe we think you'll really like.
That's what's cooking as we grab a bite with Belkys.
Guys, you spoke and I listened. A lot of you DM me on Instagram asking for healthier recipes. I've got one for you today. It's a 7-layer dip, but not the kind you're used to. It's a Greek version, a lot less calories, but a whole lot of flavor. For this one, you're gonna need some hummus, Greek yogurt, garlic, fresh dill, lemon juice, salt and pepper, some red onion, some cucumber, some tomatoes, crumbled feta cheese, and some Kalamata olives. I'm starting with the Greek yogurt. This is zero-fat Greek yogurt, and I'm gonna add a little bit of fresh lemon juice to this, some garlic, fresh dill, pinch of salt, and a little bit of pepper, and I'm just gonna mix this all up and then set it to the side. So I'm starting with the store-bought hummus. Buy your favorite brand, whatever you like. Spread it on the bottom of your dish. This is like an 8x8 dish, by the way. Got that spread out. And now we go back to the first thing we made with the yogurt. Add that to the top and do your best to spread that out. Okay, got that. And now we go in with the rest. Got some diced red onions here. We've got a diced cucumber. It's an English cucumber. Took off the skin and just diced it. And now some nice ripe tomatoes. I took out the seeds in the tomatoes so our dip doesn't get super runny. Gotta have feta cheese, crumbled feta on top. Last but not least, some black olives that I just chopped rough. And that's it. 7-layer dip, but not 7,000 calories. Grab those phones and get that recipe. You know you want to try this one. A Greek-style 7-layer dip. Scan the QR code. That's all you got to do. Try it at home and serve them up with your favorite chips or toasty pita bread. If I can do it, you can do it. I'm Belkys. Bon appetito.